We have a kitchen product that has a high cost per click, and we're struggling with conversion. So my question is how to control the cost per click and how to increase conversion rate. Images, text is optimized.
Yeah. And so we talked about this earlier. So if your images and texts are already optimized, start getting videos, start getting some external traffic on the listing, and then reviews. Reviews is everything. We talked about it earlier in the show, but you have to have good reviews. If you're not at 4.5 stars, you are dead to Amazon. You will not scale that product. It will cost you more to market it. And so it will be higher cost per clicks as a result, and higher ACOs as a result too. So focusing on reviews is the main thing that you can do by coming out with a great product and building an audience of raving fans around the problem that product solves. Now, going back to the how to control CPCs, you don't really have much control over the CPCs. It's just you have to pick your target ACOs and you have to adjust your cost per clicks around that. And if you lower it so much that it loses your traction in sales, you then have to decide if you want to keep going after that higher cost per click word, kind of like what we talked about earlier. So pretty similar to answers I gave before.
Yeah. And another thing, when we say the images and the text is optimized, optimize it again. You never know. There could be a better way to do it. And if you're not comfortable doing it on the listing, one of the easiest things you could do is run a PickFu poll of, you could take your main image and the main image of your top competitor and have people vote on it. And they'll also comment as to why they picked one or the other. And that could give you some insight into at least the main image. And we've got some recent videos on main image optimizations that would be helpful to.
Do you guys use PickFu mostly?
We definitely use PickFu a lot.
So you guys should try another software. Just try it out to see if you guys like it. It's called ProductOpinion.com. Okay. And the cool thing about ProductOpinion is they actually make it so you can build an Amazon listing for the poll. And so when they poll the people, it makes them look like they're actually on an Amazon search when they're picking which one to go with. And so pretty cool software. A friend of mine started it, and they do other stuff too. They do like video, like over the shoulder viewing, where you can watch somebody interact with your product on Amazon and they verbally talk out what's going through their mind. And that gets real fast, and it makes you realize how bad or good your product
Got it. So they're doing like branding. A recorded screencast of telling you that I like this, I don't like that.
My favorite was, this product looks cheap and untrustworthy for our bestseller. And I was like, ouch, that hurts.
Ouch. Yes, but all right. So ProductOpinion, try that out. All right. And that could clue you into what's going on with your product. So, all right.